Dumee Professionals produce solid and durable steel vintage, textured black with headboard and footboard metal bed frame. Easy assembly and well-made sturdy metal rail guarantee stability and durability. Twin bed frame. No quaking and scratching, give you gold sleep every night. Manufacturer 100% guarantee metal bed 12 months warranty. Free replacement parts available. Dumee Home team pays great attention to every detail of the products, including the design, production, testing, packing, etc. to secure every product to be durable and breathable. Our platform bed offers strong, durable wood slat support for your spring, memory foam, latex, or hybrid mattress. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High quality frame, powder painting finish, solid metal frame structure with steel slat support. No quaking and scratching. No noise, strong packaged. Number 2. Enough storage space. The twin-size bed frame stands 12 inches off the floor for easy storage. You could put some storage boxes under the bed to tidy your clothes, toys, or quilts. Number 3. Product dimensions. Approx outer size, 39.2 inches by 78 inches by 43.5 inches. 12 inches off the floor for under-bed storage space. Number 4. Easy assembly. The bed frame comes flat packed in one box for easy home assembly. Please follow instructions for proper assembly. Numbers or arrows must match on all 4 corners and holes aligned. Mattress is not included. Number 5. Worry-free warranty. Products from the factory to provide 12 months 100% service warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.